Hey all! I am your hometown realtor, Sybil Kuhn, bringing you the latest information about our local and national markets. To stay informed, follow along with my articles, blog and videos. Let me know if you have any questions along the way. Perfectly placed 2-story home with private, peaceful surroundings in this gated, Clearwood community. This home offers ease with vaulted ceilings, dining off kitchen, laundry and half bath downstairs, covered front porch, back deck off of kitchen for entertaining. Low maintenance yard, Big Fir is on this lot. 2-car attached garage west/driveway parking. No outlet street. New heat pump in 2021. 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 full baths including primary with ensuite bath. Watch your neighborhood deer graze frequently from your upstairs windows or from your spacious back deck. Amenities include 3 lakes, fishing, swimming pool, gated entry, beach access, boat